Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on a GPS tracking device. It's called the Monimoto 7, which I purchased with my own money, wasn't given to me, so I'll give you my honest review. Now, I purchased this unit because I wanted to provide extra security for my motorcycle, and I wanted something that was easy to install and compact and easy to use on the functionality. So this is the unit here, which I'll do an unpacking very shortly. I purchased this for approximately $250 here in Australia. I think it retails for around about 140 something US dollars. So what does this system do? This system will actually track your motorcycle and send you notification if your motorcycle has been stolen. And the way it does that, it's actually through a phone call, not a notification through, say, your app via like social media, because as we know today, we always get notifications and half the times we ignore it. The nice thing about this, it uses a cellular network. It calls you, which means that you can actually activate or set that phone number to always call you irrespective if your phone's on silent or not, which for me, that was one of the things that I was looking for. The other nice feature about this unit is that it doesn't matter where you are located. In other words, at the moment, my motorcycle is 2 stories down in a basement car park, and I'm 2 stories up, and I will know if that motorcycle gets moved, which I've tested it. So that's the other functionality that I was looking for. So let me show you the system. As you can see, it's packaged quite nicely. Now, one of the things that you'll notice is that there is a security seal on the package. If that's been tampered with in any way, please don't purchase the unit, because these units are individually coded. All right, so let me open this up. I'll put this over here. So what you see straight away is the instructions on the app. It is Android and Apple compatible. Okay, put that aside. This is the unit itself. Now, the unit itself is IP rated. It's IP 65, which means that it will handle spray of water. So it's not waterproof, it's water resistant to IP65. That's what that means. Now, if you notice, or you may not notice, but on the top here, this is the top of the unit. This must face to the sky, must not be facing down to the ground. So in other words, face up in your motorcycle when you mount this. Don't put it anywhere near metal as well, because that's going to limit your GPS signal. On the back of the unit, you will see that it's got its own 2 AA batteries. I'll just open that up. And these 2 batteries here, what they say is they last for about 12 months. Now, I like this feature because it's self-contained. If the battery on the motorcycle gets disconnected, this unit's hidden, it will still be in operational mode. There's just a small tag there. You remove that once you get the unit, and that'll activate the unit. Okay, so also you'll notice on the corners that there are little cutouts. So what comes with this unit, and as you can see, it's in the palm of my hand, it's quite small. I remember hearing that these last units were quite large and bulky. All right, so in the rest of the package, you will see that there are the cable ties that you use, the reusable cable ties. So by a little push of the button, you can, and I'll just show you that very quickly. If I get back in the screen, you can see there that you just push that little tab and these cable ties will come unloose again. And here is the fob. So this fob, you can see it's quite small. They recommend not to put it with your keys. They recommend to put it in your gear pack, your backpack, your jacket. So if your motorcycle gets stolen, and most times they do require your keys, that this will alarm you straight away. Now, for some reason, if it is on your keys or gets stolen with the motorcycle, and you realise the next day that your motorcycle is missing, you can actually go into the app and push the settings to find out where it is. So I will go through the app right now. And what you see in the app, it's very simple. To connect to the app, you simply activate the fob to the unit. You go through the stages of the instructions on how to do it. It's very simple. You can find it on YouTube. Also, what you can do is connect to the settings in the unit itself through Bluetooth, and you can change that. Now, one of the best things that I liked about this is you can actually change the notification timing from 5 minutes to 1 minute. Now, keeping in mind, if you do that, you're going to use a lot more battery. And the default setting, I think, is around about 5-minute notification. It also shows you the map of where the motorcycle is located to where you are situated, and gives you, you can open that through Google Maps as well. So, why did I buy this unit? The reason why I purchased the unit, it is simply does what it's meant to do. It is simple. It's not complicated. It doesn't follow routes that you might want to ride through on one of your last motorcycle rides. It's all about security and adding security device to your unit. Now, there is also what I did like about this unit and why I purchased it, that it comes with a 2 month subscription to your cellular network. But the 12-month subscription is approximately, I think, 80 Australian dollars, so about 45 US dollars. That's once a year. Pretty good insurance, in my opinion. So thank you very much. I hope you liked the review. Please subscribe, click the bell, and I hope to see you out there one day.